Ever wondered what creature holds the title of biggest nightmare on 8 legs? Meet Theraphosa blondi, the world's largest tarantula, whose leg span rivals a dinner plate's diameter. Imagine a gentle rain turning sinister. It's this spider's legs making tiny drum beats as it moves. Surprisingly, despite its intimidating presence, it's shy, only attacking when provoked. But beware of its needle-like hairs, which it flings like poisonous darts to fend off threats. Picture this, deep in the Amazon rainforest, a quick rustle of leaves turns into a quiet, eerie lullaby as the Goliath bird-eater emerges. You now realize that not all monsters hide under the bed, some are out there, waiting, hidden in nature's shadows.